Can PaperCut make your organization more cost-efficient? The average office worker uses 10,000 sheets of paper each year. Half of that paper ends up in the trash. That's money being thrown away. Whether you're in healthcare, education, legal, or small to medium business, paper waste is everywhere. So how can you manage it? With PaperCut's rules-based routing, you have the ability to easily manage the prints coming in and out of your network. Just a few clicks, you can enact rules within your network that saves you money, from routing all color jobs to black and white, to converting all single-sided prints to double-sided. You can manage waste even further with print quotas, putting a hard cap on excessive printing by limiting the amount of prints per user. You're given complete customization into these quotas to influence your users' print behavior to your liking. You can save even further with shared accounts, a feature that lets you budget and track printing beyond the individual account level. This allows you to organize users into groups that can be managed as one shared account, giving you the ability to allocate print costs by departments, clients, projects, or whatever works for your organization. You can even generate invoices to send to clients so you can make back those costs. With all these features and over a dozen or so more, PaperCut provides you the tools to view and manage every inch of your print network.